brought you a laptop and I brought you a little hand thing. You got your own stuff. Don't throw this milk. Don't throw this milk down. Here, I got you your little thing. And your laptop. You don't want your laptop? You don't want it? Okay, so then leave it alone if you don't want it. Leave it alone if you don't want it. No. Sit back. No, you don't want it. You can't get my phone. I'm using my phone. I think I charged it. 4 hours. Don't keep changing it.
She's that young, but she's like, I'm like, she's 48.
Big long crocodile tears. Here, put your hand back in here. Here,
Didn't you
put your hand back.
on
that side.
negative or something like that? Why would you? It's so sad. Well, she also talked. She also talked about the fact that like she wouldn't mind living separate from.
Hey, wow.
Thank you. Take one. What do you say? Thank you.
On the way back, I'm gonna be back there though. My legs are not there.
Sugar? Just twinkle your toe.
If we stop, stop there, just switch.
Look at you go, Poppies. You eating your crackers.
Yeah, I can't get no super. Wait, I gotta use that too, but I told him I gotta bring some.
Look at you, Minky. Don't run too much, Ariel. Look at you. Let me see. That's a nice sticker. I like that. I like that.
I'll take you right here, register number 2. Thank you, sir. You don't need this card anymore. I'll need it up here at this one real quick.
She's using the bathroom, baby. Oh. Come here. Daddy's not over there. Come here. Come here, baby. Papi, you can't be back here. Come on. No, you can't be back here. Come here. Gotcha. Well, let him go back there. And this is what I'm wearing, guys. I gotta hold it all the way up here like that. We got 1 hour and a half to go.
We got 2 hours still.
2 hours.
We could have been there.
Look at who fault is it?
You.
Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Why my brown?
You're not that nice. You don't have brown eyes. You have black eyes. Yeah.
How do you have brown eyes?
You got black eyes.
Puppies, pick that up.
Stop yelling.
Pick it up, please. To kick you out of here?
Snigga boy. Snigga boy. Snigga.
Aaron, let me take a picture of y'all. Come here.
Bye.
Come on, get in.
Come on, Papa.
Oh, look, the car's starting to get all dirty and stuff. They're ready. Do it.
Wash it again. So we'll go wash it before we go.
All right, let's go. No, Daddy's still going in the front area for the other half of the ride. And then y'all going to do the same thing on the way back.
Move, Jet.
Huh?
You know all that black stuff is?
What?
That's the tire side. Driving so fast.
Area, Daddy, so you go for the next half. And then on the way back, you're going to go back there. And then y'all will switch again. Because we'll stop.
If you don't switch now.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, shimmy, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
You check everything. Wow, you see the fried puppies?
I should got two. I can have my.
Do you have the honey?
chicken.
See if there's honey and ketchup in there.
I'm missing one fry. I had two fries. Not everybody.
You're welcome. Look, he already took one. Look at him.
Y'all can have my chicken nuggets.
I would have got you two burgers. I thought maybe you wanted nuggets because you asked for fucking buffalo.
Alex.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Three of us share the fries back here. Alright, so we got puppies sleeping. Area sleeping back there.
Don't record me, bro.
Don't record me, bro. And how long we got left? 1 hour.
Yeah.
1 hour and 30 minutes. Let me see. That's
Make it feel like 5 o'clock all day long.
Oh, you got a big bottle? But you ain't get no soda. Oh, you did.
I got the bottle so you can close that shit.
Oh, you can't close this back?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Lake Hammock Village.
gotta fix my hair when I get there. I just put it up.
Look at all these trees.
Ash, where's the volume up? I think I took all my stuff. Hey.
Look at little papas. Hey, papas. Hey. Go. Hit it again. Hit it again. Hey. Can't we see that much? Ain't get a bin.
Ah, that thing. Are you ready, puppies?
This is not the white.
Are you ready?
Are you dumb? You said white bag.
Are you ready,
But you
Angela?
gotta know what you're
Fit in the baby bag is we're getting.
Baby boo.
I'm gonna have the stroller and the baby bag together.
Say hi. Look at me.
And when
Look
I
at
go
me.
on the
Look,
ride,
look.
we can leave the baby bag on the stroller. Nobody's gonna take it. But as far as my phone, wallet, and camera, gotta go in the locker.
Amy Winnie.
Even though I went down. Your face. Look. I go like this.
Okay, baby.
Oh, show the baby.
You can see it?
Yeah.
No.
Why would you slap him? Shut up, you stink. Alright.
Be buzz. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Where you going?
That should be good.
Yeah.
You staying in the car? 'Cause I'm going. Papas. Papas. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Why you?
You stop?
Hey, where's my bag?
Here, but what you need it for? Oh. Oh, come on, it's 2 o'clock. Ash, you got your wallet? Cause we'll need to pay for the locker. Puppies. Hello. Oh wait, we gotta get on the bus? Oh. Oh, that's to go back. Yes.
I thought about it.
Another what?
Tube of gravel.
Where you going? We just scanned it over there. Yeah, we already got our ticket. Look, Alex, look. Look, I could just keep the phone down here. I don't even have to put it up. Like, put my hand up and I see everything.
Right.
Well, I don't know if we gotta go over there, but I do have the scanner thing. I am. Hello. Here, somebody.
Right on up there and grab it. Oh, cool. All right. Aria, you get. Oh, Moana. Get Moana.
I had this one before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Lion King or Chewbacca? I ain't Chewbacca. Chewbacca ugly.
Look on the screen. 'Cause you're
I got Woody.
Xavier should get Woody.
I was switching.
Here.
I am.
See the back of you. The back.
What'd you get? Oh, yeah, you messed the button.
Scan yours. Scan your ticket.
Mushy. Oh, scan it.
Put your finger there. Finger there. To the light turn green. Next one. Come on in.
I like that.
Andrew, here. You
Run now.
me.
Me.
Rudeness. Till the light turn green. Beep beep. You're in.
Just look on the screen because sometimes it don't work.
Take that off your head, turkey. Yeah.
And then he's one.
That'll feel like he's in food. You see the back of yours?
Thank you. What's that? The big one?
No. That's the one next to it.
Don't worry.
Oh, wait, that's a ski one?
No, it's not.
Oh,
Don't worry. Ariel, don't.
because it says.
You've never been here.
Andrew and Eric, go there. Let me get one picture.
Right, being frank.
Go. Alice, take the baby. Let me get a picture. No, we're right here.
No, we're right here.
Take a picture.
Let me get me papas. No, you just gotta.
And no, we'll just have to. No, you're going on a ride. We're not going to no lazy thing first.
Whatever we see that have the lowest line. Lock us.
I have fun
no,
watching
this
you.
shit empty though,
I have
for real.
fun watching y'all have fun. I don't need to be on the ride. This is no summer. Oh my God, look at that one. That's high.
What?
That's
That's a summer plane.
Huh?
Really?
I'm not going on that one.
That's a 12-foot one.
Alex, don't start with your stuff. Just you go on what you want to go on. Okay?
I just asked you.
I'm not going on it.
Well, look at that.
Look at that one.
That's it right there, the summit. Summit.
Maya, are you at least gonna go on the race
That,
one?
no, that's like
No.
10 tallest waterfall in the world.
Because that's the tallest one in the world. I'm not going up
10
there.
tall-
I know I'm not going on it. No.
I mean, yeah, I'm
No.
sneaking
Hey,
there.
your papa's right there. Give me my papas. Puppy.
That's the 10th tallest one, man. Not the tallest.
Give me a kiss.
Would you ever didn't feel like money? Money?
No.
Look at my.
You want to do it for 10,000?
Wait.
Is it me or that should look? I don't know.
I know. Ah.
The hell?
Barely see it.
How big is those little joints? You could maybe fit it.
Well, we don't have to put the bag if we don't have to.
Oh, it's just a phone.
Just pay the 15. It's $5 more.
Alright.
Yeah, because all I was shooting, but you wasn't. You know your thing. Oh, this is cool under here. Damn, these glass. Try this on. This is so different.
It's dirty.
I know. I'm gonna have to come back because I'm using this to record it on the slide right now.
Alright, yo, you don't need the key neither. You just need the cord.
3, 2, 1.
Nah, 4.
I have to come back and bring this and put this. I'm gonna be on his stuff.
You don't do what she do. If she do it, you don't do it. I mean, but no matter what,
Here.
one of y'all do it some
Good thing we got the large. You see that? Wow.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Because it's just $5 more. Ooh, look at that, man. You better go on your first ride. All that side effect gonna be gone. Oh, we definitely need to not come in the summer. All this would have been crowded if we was here in the summer. Never again. I'll come here full time just because it's not that much people.
That's why I'm trying to come 4 times.
Oh, the baby shirt? Nah, it can stay in the stroller.
And then once the summer starts, I ain't coming.
The baby shirt can stay in the stroller because I don't want him to be just hot.
I should put all the towels over the thing now.
It's fine. It's just the towel's gonna stay here.
At the bottom.
But this gotta go back in the locker when I get in. So let's see y'all. Yeah, because you know, really can't see that. All right, y'all. Let's first fry.
Ooh, that one is cold.
Ooh, over here. I remember what.
I'm going to Lazy River by this up.
Where's 12? Find 12. Man.
Keep going there.
No, we're not going in right now. I got my camera.
So just put it in
We're
the bag.
going in after.
Put it in the bag. Who's just steal the bag?
This camera has to go in the
Who's
locker.
just steal the bag?
This camera has to go in the locker. There's no bag here.
9, 10, and 11 is...
Y'all go, go up, go up.
Wait, right now?
I don't know why, but I'm really not scared. I'm not doing that first try.
You're not? Well, I can't see the camera.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely going on that. What? That's what you gotta do. You go way.
Oh, that's why they did it like that. Oh, that's cool.
But I'm not doing that. And I always said they should give us an elevator.
You're
instead
not
of having
going
to
on
walk
that?
up. Hell yeah, but it's real skiing. It's way higher than that.
It's not that bad though.
No.
Then how about you go?
I know. It's not that. It's just right there. Ooh, never
It's
mind.
actually not even that high.
It's that one droop.
Look, see, look.
Yeah, I would take it.
It's different. Up to stand right here. Here, puppy.
Look at you. Oh. Look at.
Of course, I had a feeling. No, but that's what that one is. Good. Take that one. This one fun. This one fun. One that gets two. You could eat this.
Stay at
Oh,
the bottom.
I want to say who the hell is
Stay
that?
at the bottom.
Okay. Cause he flipped over at the end already.
I let him go, and I let him down. Let me see. He's okay. Put him down. Talk to him. Talk to him. He's okay. Pop him.
He went on the water.
Yeah, but he's all right.
Peppy, you
Let him go again.
One more time, okay? Oh wow!
Yay, Papa.
Wow, baby.
Take him up that one, buddy.
I'm not going to tunnel one.
Yeah, no. You can't take him. I put him on this one.
Which leg?
You know, you could take the vest off for him and let him do it by himself, Alex. Just let him do it by himself. I'll let him warm up with it.
Look at mushroom. Look at area. 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 Yay!
Wow.
Make sure it doesn't go on his face. Yay, Ariel. Yay, Angelo. Yay, Baba. Yay, people.
Wow.
Go, BB.
Huh? We can't be on the left.
Let him go, let him go.
Don't you think you can be on my left?
I know, just push him, push him.
Okay, go Ariel. Catch him. Go let his face catch the water.
Yay! I should just swing in the beginning.
Addie Elise, you ready? You nervous? You going on? The tallest ride. Puppies, you went on your first ride and I missed you. I didn't get to record you, puppies. You did such a good job. Now I can't catch you anymore.
Where y'all think at? Let's go.
You got your hat on?
Wait till you get up here.
Oh my goodness. He was real cool. He said, all right, y'all put me back on this damn shit. Y'all gonna see.
The whole time, he didn't know.
Say, see you later, daddy and brother and sister. Ash, where's your hat? Oh. No, I'm not going on. I'm just recording. I want to see them get on. Oh, y'all ready? Wait, no seatbelts? Okay, let me get out the way. Ooh. Up, 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 up. Let it go. Come on, let's go see daddy and sister and brother puppies. Papi, that's them right there, I think. Oh, that's them puppies, that's them. That's daddy, baby. Boy, you're not going in. You're not going in. Shh. How was it? It was scary. Shh. Shh. Come on, we're wearing brother. Look, look, look. Look, Angela, come in. Look, look, look. He think he's going in. That wasn't good letting him get dunked under the water that first time, man. Because now he's just scared of everything. Oh, no, the Ariel's coming. I wish you didn't get dunked under the water, man. How was it, Angela?
It was fun on my back.
Your back? Yeah, those rides, when it's that high, it hurts your back.
It hurt my nut. No.
Really?
It hurt my nut. Yeah.
Ariel, how was it?
You're okay, puppy. I actually wasn't that bad.
Yeah, because now you're on the floor. All right. Come. Ariel, how was it?
I just did it, like, I was about to sticking out, but I just went. Like, I did myself.
How was it? Your back hurts? Yeah, those rides be hurting your back. I can't do them rides.
How do you get up here?
You can't breathe the whole time.
You can't breathe?
You can't breathe the whole time.
And let's go in the pool.
She said you can't breathe the whole time. Let's see. You don't want to see what the rides they got?
Actually, come on.
Oh, you want to go in the lace pool?
Whatever. Something that you could go in, Popeyes.
That was actually super fun. I want to ask someone
The thing in the
what time
bag
we
and
put
put
it.
the towels over it.
I'm asking someone.
Your back still hurt?
Papas. Hello, me papas.
Take a picture of us. Click on photo. Take a picture.
It's about a 10-15 minute ride, so, and then once that's finished, it's out. Time to get out. They're having a good time. They said they want
Yeah, they went on 3 rides. Yeah, they told me. That's a lot of rides.
Right, in a little bit of time. You guys.
I'm surprised. I thought they would have been able to go on just one. They went on the racing ride. They said 2 others.
And they did it without fighting. That's good.
Yeah. Let him go. Puppies, but no splashing. Right here. Puppies, look at you go. Look at you go, Mickey. What was that? Get Daddy 5, puppies. Yay. Good job. Puppies, I can't believe I missed you on that slide. You did such a good job.
Get a hug too. Yay, yay. Pop, pop, pop.
Whee!
Where's the jet that push?
Whoa, Mickey. Hey, careful, you flip over there.
Uh-oh. And that's not the real one, though.
Look at you, baby. Good job, Bunkers.
But look, yeah.
Oh my
Puppy,
goodness.
that's not the first time. He's having such a good time. Or second time, rather. Not even the first time.
That would look cool.
Above your head, you turkey.
You didn't get away, right? Not so fast. Wait, he's trying to calm down. Alex, he don't like the darkness. He was looking for you. Look, Daddy's going. You're not going. It's just Daddy. Watch. You're not going. It's just Daddy, baby. Alex, come on. You look crazy. Look retarded. Come on, man. Wee. Don't wet my camera. Poor fat board. So y'all had a good time. My feet is dirty.
Yeah. I didn't know those were done.
Wait, let me wrap him up first, Angela. Alex, you can say the people on the phone say it's no time. That it ends at 10 p.m. You gotta take a
Oh, you can't get
nap.
off from that way, but what's that? Let's see. 10 sliders, 20 chicken wings, and a sock of fries. A whole sock.
For how much?
Hmm? Hello, I'm Julie. Hi, Julie.
Cut the volume down. Julia, artificial
She wants
intelligence.
shareable meal at number 9, and I just get some more sliders on top of that.
Yeah, because they don't like the sliders that much. I
Can
probably
I
like
get a number
10.
9 shareable meal?
Oh, it's AI. Freaking AI. That's great.
American.
Absolutely.
And then can I also get 12 cheese sliders?
Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh.
Wow.
All right, what else we got in the bag? Let me see. Fries. What else? Yeah. Chicken rings. Okay, here, Angela.
Can I get some fries, please?
Yeah. Un momento. Do not make mess back there at all.
Let me get one of them burgers. One of your burgers.
Oh, what's the difference? There's difference?
Yeah.
What burgers?
Don't you got burgers in that bag?
Ketchup, please.
Pass me a fry for the baby. He's so hungry. Look at him eat. Good job, Mickey.
Mommy.
It hot? Yeah. It hot? Okay. Area pass Angel some fries, please.
Keep having ketchup too.
Oh, those fries is like the same fries. Oh yeah, it is from them. The White Castle.
Your chicken
I
ring.
need somewhere to put it. Put some.
So eat one of your burger and then put the fries in
Ketchup.
one of the bucks. Don't break it open.
Wait,
Just
that's
eat
all
one.
the fries? That's what they call a sack of fries? That little ass shit. I ain't get all this food with that little ass thing of fries.
Aria, where's the ketchup? Look in the bag and pass it.
She tells me to come.
Yeah, I got some of y'all. Mm. And you got the whole slushy.
Hello.
Don't want to share with nobody. Look. Now he talking about here.
Sometimes I forget that I'm sharing because I'm used to just being by myself.
Andrew, how's that burger? You need a bag? Here. Use it as your garbage. Put everything in there. Ariel, you gotta put that slushy down and you need to put your seatbelt on.
What the fuck is this? This is the weirdest darn thing that I ever did see.
Whoa.
Slow down, sugar.
That's the
Slow
money.
down, sugar.
Pass the steak there.
Pass what?
Pass it.
The slushy, wait. She just got it.
I get it. Pass it. Pass it.
Okay, y'all just stop saying pass
Where
it.
the fuck they going?
When they pass it, they'll pass it. Just wait.
You know what they say. Everything's better with a little gin.
What time is it? 8:12. We spend the whole day in Orlando. Papi, it's time for you to go to sleep. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the vlog. Right, Papis? Close it out with your crying. Bye.
We should do when we got home.
And just like that, guys, he is out. Out cold. What time is it? We left the house 8:30, and right now, guess what time it is? 8:30. We've been on the road for 12 hours. Well, at the water park for 3 hours, and on the road for 12 hours. Yup. They just went into Publix too. I think. Oh, we still got like what? 2 hours and shit, 50 minutes of. Ooh, why is that lady going in there? Her whole entire butt cheeks is out.